So, but you can explain me a little bit what the issues you had before, so I can think a little bit more.
Yeah, so the wipers start to go, and then all sorts of error codes.
But now, if I put ignition on, they will go, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
And like once I take the battery off, it stops, of course.
Alright. This is the fuse box, I think, here, yeah. So there's something done here also, I see.
Yeah. This car has like a system where you can use an app to unlock the doors, which has been kind of problematic.
Yes, okay.
The company that installed this said that if I can have like a written piece of paper or something with proof that they have caused the issue, then they will pay for it.
Of course, okay. Yeah. 46.
Yeah.
Okay. And it's located.
It's the
Yes, that boy here. Okay. Let's see. Yes. Now we can diagnose. Otherwise it goes.
Didn't even find the error codes that were on there.
This is yeah, scam, let's say like that. There is also one thing I have seen one guy who used OBD, some kind of the same small